Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem codes in Grow a Garden. Alright, let's begin. To redeem codes in Grow a Garden, start by launching the game. Once you're in, look at the top or side of your screen for the cogwheel or settings icon, usually located next to the backpack or inventory button. Click on it and you'll see an option labeled Redeem Codes. Next, enter an active code into the input field. If the code is still valid, you'll receive a reward instantly. If it's expired or entered incorrectly, you won't get anything. Always make sure to type the code exactly as provided, including capitalization. To find working codes, check the game developer's official social media pages. Most codes are shared on platforms like Twitter, Discord, or community posts. While the developer hasn't been adding many new codes lately, there was a recent update confirming that more will be released in the future. Keep an eye on announcements and check back regularly so you don't miss out on limited-time rewards. Some codes can give you exclusive items, currency, or boosts, so it's worth trying them whenever they're available. So that's basically how you can redeem codes in Grow a Garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.